What up? It's iFly. In today's video, I want to go over the new version of my app. It's Rando-Prompto V2 Prompt Machine. So this is a complete rewrite and overhaul of the original version. It has more functionality than the original. Still has the same 10,001 pre-installed phrases across 33 categories, but this time the categories are not set in stone. You can actually add or remove categories at will. You can have as many or as few categories as you want. Yeah, I'll get into all that more here in a minute. So starting at the top, you have your beginning of your prompt or model trigger words, words that you want to exclude from the prompt, words separated by commas. These words, if they are contained in the phrases, that phrase will not be chosen. You have to select at least one category to generate from, or you can use the select random categories. You can just randomly select as many as it wants to pick. You have 3 generating modes. You have standard, blending, and chunking. Standard just gives you regular prompts. Blending gives you 2 prompts, prompt 1 and prompt 2. And a percentage of the way through generating the image to switch from prompt 1 to prompt 2. I don't remember where there it is. So at 80% of the way through generating, it'll go from this one to this one. Chunking adds the word break randomly into your prompt to separate different sections of the prompt from each other. So, for example, if you put something over here, its contents will not affect what you have over here. The number of breaks you get is based on the number of categories you selected. So from 2 to 5 categories, you get 1 break. From 6 to 10 categories, you get up to 2 breaks. And from 11, or if you have 11 or more categories chosen, then you get up to 3 breaks at random. Let's go back to normal. Next, we have the prompt builder. So this, if you don't want to generate a random prompt, you can just come in here and pick the exact things that you want to add and add them one at a time. Build your prompt from scratch. Either way, after you have gotten your prompt, you can copy to the clipboard. Oh, I almost forgot these. You can add random weights to your random prompts, both positive and negative weights this time. You can go ahead and generate another random one. You can randomize the prompt, the order of the segments. You can copy it to the clipboard. Or after you've created your prompt, you can send it to the prompt catalog, or you can save it to a text file. So in this case, let's go ahead and open the prompt catalog. It sends it to here, which you can then add to the page. Go ahead and give it a name. It's going to ask if you want a picture. In this case, I'm going to say no. Now you can see what it looks like with and without a picture. You have multiple pages that you can go through. You can cycle through the pages with these buttons. You can rename the page. You can add new pages. You can save the pages, and you can delete the pages. This is an easy way to save your prompts for later, have a picture to remind you what the prompt does, what it looks like, or what it generates and all that. You can type them in yourself manually if you want to. Yeah, just a convenient way to store your prompts for later use. What's next? Let's go ahead and talk about adding new categories. So if you already have a pre-made category file that you want to add, you can either just drop it straight into the directory, or you can come in here, and I already have this one pre-made, animated characters. Go ahead and hit open. There we go. It adds it to the list. It copies, or I should say it moves that file to the library so that you now have it in here. If you just add it yourself and just reload the app, then it will be detected and show up. You can see over here there's now 34 categories, 10,261 phrases. So otherwise, you can come in here and let's say I want to edit the category. You can come in here and add or remove. You can add new things, remove from the category. You can shuffle the list. You can find exactly what you're looking for by filtering. But let's say you wanted to create a new category. So you can go ahead and just clear the list and then give it a name. In this case, let's call it celebrities. There we go. And over here, I already have a list that I had ChatGPT make for me of 100 real celebrities. No punctuation, no accent marks, only regex letters and numbers. And I said no duplicates and only use the names once. So let's go ahead and copy it. Let's go in here, paste it in, add new. There we go. There's my 100. Let's just check it for duplicates. Oh, he gave me 2 duplicates. I always say he. I don't know if it's a he or she. So let's go ahead and remove duplicates. Check again. No more duplicates. 98 left. Go ahead and hit create new category file. Go into the library. It's already got the name set in there for you based on what you named it. Hit save. There we go. It reloaded, and we now have the celebrities right there. Bam. Just like that. It's pretty simple. The terminal gives you a history of everything that's gone on, including your prompts. All the prompts have little symbols to help you figure out which one is which. You have terminal commands. If you want to see what those are, you can just type in help, hit enter. There you go. You have all the commands listed out for you. You can do things like generate a whole bunch of stuff, randomly select a specific number of categories, or randomly select just like clicking the button. You can change the text color in here and the background color in here. You can type in info if you want to get a more detailed breakdown of how to do everything. Other commands you have a modifier like the times symbol or the star. So if I type in gen star symbol 3, then it will generate based on what I have over here. So let's just randomly select some categories. That's quite a few. So now if I type in gen times 3 and hit enter, it will generate 3 random generations based on my settings over here. If I have this set to 3 categories or 3 prompts, then I go in here and I hit gen again. Now I get 3 random prompts per generation based on the settings. You can also do things like what else? Blend. If you just type in blend, it gives you random blended with a random blend percentage. Or you can type in blend colon and then a number from 0 to 1. Let's just say 0.4. I forgot to put the D at the end of blend. There we go. And you get blends with 0.4 on the end. So you can control the exact generation percentage that it switches at. And others, remember, you can just type in help, and see a list of all the commands. You can also do repeat, that's repeat, sequential. So if, let's say I want to type in select gen times 3, select blend, and then hit enter. There you go. It now did all those commands sequentially. Just like that. So that's about it. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. Hope it becomes useful for you. And thanks for watching.